that sound is just unreal to me.
They had one, we came down on practice because they practice on Friday. So we came down after work there one day. And I mean, it just like, when there's this many people, they can't break the sound barrier.
Yeah.
So, but on Friday, not a whole lot of people are out. And they'll
Right.
go through here and you'll just see the water just like explode underneath them because they're breaking the sound barrier. And it's just like, we'll get like a lot of our co-workers and stuff, you know, we all kind of just come out on lunch break or whatever. They'll just fuck around out on the beach.
For real?
Yeah. Yeah.
On Friday.
Friday, I think was a little bit of a better show. Like
Yesterday? Not yesterday.
No.
Last-
No. Well, yeah. I wasn't here this Friday, but on Fridays they practice. You know, they just have fun. They go out. They can do it. They can do more shit.
Any day of the week?
I think it's Friday. It's because they have the show on Saturday and Sunday.
Yeah.
So I think they practice on Friday. They may do a couple other days. I'm not sure, but.
Yeah.
Because they'll.
So let me ask you something, Chris. What made you move to the Shack?
Because I'm from a small town in Maine, southern Maine, right outside of Boston. Like I'm about an hour from Boston.
Okay.
I just wanted to check it out. Like I wanted to be away from my family. You know, Boston was too close, New York was a little too close, LA was too far.
Yeah.
You know, I got a couple friends of mine in LA, and I was just like, it's just too far. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, I told my girl, man, I said, LA, I can't get to the West Coast. I ain't gonna say LA, because it ain't all about LA to me.
No, well,
But-
in San Diego,
Right.
I'll tell you, went to San Diego.
So
Be hard
much.
pressed to not move there. I mean, it's
what I was
literally
saying.
this temperature year round. You know?
Here we go. Yeah, this is unreal.
There's more opportunities in Chicago.
Who's acting a donkey out there, baby?
When you just think of it from like a
God.
physics standpoint and just moving that much air to make it ripple like that.
Exactly. That's exactly what I was saying.
You know what type of plane that is?
That's
That
like
one
a
I believe is the
F-18.
F-22.
Okay, that's it. I thought it was the F-18.
It's either an F-18 or 22.
Yeah,
they
it's either
switch it out
18
every
or
couple years.
22.
And they switch it out and like, it's basically a Raptor is what the F-18 or 22 Raptor.
That's exactly it. Oh my goodness. This is a bad spot. I gotta get out here. It's too much sunlight. Shit, see y'all got lenses like shit. Oh my goodness.
You'll hear it when he's like when he's
Yeah.
like gone sometimes.
Yeah,
Like, you'll,
off in the distance.
Yeah.
It
When he
seemed
leaves the
louder
party,
when he was
he'll let it out like boom. He'll just do 295 on him. Them buildings look so small to him up there. Chicago's a great city to fly over. It might be one of the best cities in the world to fly over.
The only other
if
one I
you're
would
a
think that
pilot.
would be like Dubai. I think maybe Dubai would be like up there.
Exactly. Ain't no other city that's gonna ravel this.
And then you got to worry about the Burj Khalifa because it's too damn tall.
The
You
Burj
run into the damn
Khalifa, damn. You got to do a fly through on a buy through on a try through on that. How many, man, look at these people.
thing. Yeah, they said I think they have like
it's-
4 million people come to
it's-
just to this.
It's a 10 million people. Look, how many people still live in Chicago, Metro and Metro?
It's 2.8 for the city. Metro I think is 7 or 8.
So,
If you get like there's a lot of suburbs.
so there's a gap off in there. It's like 10 million for real.
I find it sad. People live in Chicago and come to this. Most of these are tourists.
Yeah,
You know what I'm saying?
exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. Came through on him, look. He gonna bang left and catch up with your boy. He gonna be there in like 4 seconds. Wow.
There will be more. It'll give you a good headache for about an hour. Yeah, there will be more. First year.